Here are some herbal plants used in Siddha and Ayurvedic medicine as per Indian Pharmacopoeia, kept in display for your glance. It's hibiscus, which relieves heart problem. It's saved muesli, improves male fertility. It's mountain knot grass, relieves kidney stone. It's black Jandurasa, mosquito repellent. It's false daisy, favors long and lustrous hair growth. It's touch me not plant, anti-diabetic, cures bile problem. It's Gymnema silvestre, anti-diabetic. It's ginger, improves digestion. It's pepper, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's long pepper, improves appetite and digestion. It's yellow bringraj, favors hair growth. It's lesser kalangal, promote appetite and digestion, controls running nose. It's Indian borage, controls cold, cough, fever. It's Indian nettle, strengthens tooth and gum. It's multivitamin plant, used for multivitamin purpose as well as increase in hemoglobin content. It's Costus ignis insulin plant, anti-diabetic. It's Costus pictus insulin plant, anti-diabetic and for asthma and relieves thyroid problem. It's Veshanarayini, used to clear the kidney stones. It's Java tea plant, used to relieve kidney stone, controls uric acid and creatine level in kidney. It's mint, treat dry cough, chill throat. It's Adadoda vasica, bronchodilator, treat cold cough. It's Justica tranquilberenices, treat blood clot, sneezing. It's Bandhan leaves, gives good flavor for biryani. It's Holy basil, treat kidney stone, relieves headache, fever. It's Satavari, cures kidney stone, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's Caralluma ascendus, controls appetite, favors weight loss. It's Patchouli, helps to weight loss, insecticide, fungicide, provides aroma oil. It's bitter leaf, antiseptic, breath freshener, remove dandruff. Pink periwinkle, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, treat sore throat. It's Bermuda grass, reduce obesity, purifies blood. It's Artemisia nilagirica, as hair lotion, treats fever, tumor, cancer. It's Cuscus grass, provides aroma oil, maintains body temperature. It's Indian coral tree, increase sperm count. It's mango tree, cures heartburn. It's black Virtus negundu as a muscle relaxant, pain relieving, antioxidant, anti-aging. It's Virtus negundu, muscle relaxant, pain relieving, anti-inflammatory, mosquito repellent. Climbing brinjal, treat cough, common cold, fever, strengthen body and bones. It's aloe vera red, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, antioxidant, anti-aging. It's coral bush plant, relieves cut wounds, strong laxative. It's lemongrass, lowers high blood pressure level as a mosquito repellent, a disinfectant. Indian ponywood, increase memory power, hemoglobin level. It's miracle leaf, kidney stone reliever, analgesic. It's sweet basil, treats ear pain, purify blood, provide aroma oil. It's Indian ginseng, reduce blood sugar level, reduce high cholesterol, increase thyroid hormone level. Black datura, cures mental disease. Neem tree as a disinfectant. Aloe vera, antioxidant, anti-aging, anti-diabetic. Yellow fruit nightshade, relieves chest convolution, asthma. Welt grape foresight, cure heart disease, increase appetite, strengthens bone. Garuda Sanjeevi, creates health immunity, strengthens nervous system.